Growing up, one of my all-time favorite snacks were Momos. In fact, it was more of a lunch because at the school, during lunchtime, that was the hottest thing to have. Fresh, delicious veg Momos or chicken Momos, and I always had it with red Momo chutney. Now I know some people also have it with mayonnaise. I just can't do that. It's a very Delhi thing. But the red chutney, all day long. Now this one is inspired from what I used to enjoy as a kid, and it's amazingly easy and so delicious. It all starts with some nice red tomatoes. You want to slice them in half and put them in a pot full of water, which I'm heating on a high heat. Then you also add in some red dried chilies, adjust it based on your heat tolerance, but this here will give you a really delicious sauce, not overly spicy, not overly sweet. It's just the perfect balance, I think. You want to now let this boil for 10 to 12 minutes, or as long as it takes for the tomato skins to shrivel up, for the tomatoes to get soft, and for the chilies to also soften up a bit. Now once that is done, I'm going to take a pan and then add some cashews. You can also use peanuts or almonds that have been soaked and peeled, and place them in a pan with some cumin seeds and whole coriander seeds. We'll roast that very lightly until they're nice and fragrant. The cashew here, or the nuts like peanuts or almond, would add a nice amount of creaminess. So add that to a blender or a high-powered food processor, along with the chilies and the tomatoes. Don't add any water in here. Now, along with that, add in some garlic, and that also helps with the spiciness and the heat level of this chutney. But then the sugar comes in to balance it out and complement the spicy elements. Then some salt and some rice vinegar. Blend this up and blitz it until it's nice and smooth. You can keep it a bit coarse. The chutney that I grew up with was not exactly smooth. It was kind of coarse, and that was kind of fun too. So you can just pick the texture that you want to go with. And here's what it looks like, and this was so delicious. The coriander seeds and the cumin seeds, you can choose to not put it in, but it does add a really nice fragrance and flavor to the chutney. So try each version and see what works for you. This chutney is ready, and I'm so excited to have this with some freshly made steamed chicken momos. And if you're wondering, where did I get these chicken momos from? How do you make it? Well, just be patient. These momos are next up. So make sure that you're subscribed, you have the notification bell all ready for you, so that when that video drops, you are ready with your chutney that you can freeze, by the way, and you are ready to enjoy these freshly made chicken momos. I'll see you all on the next one.